Hi, welcome back to Vistas IQ, where insight builds clarity, momentum builds confidence, and infinite understanding becomes your success. Come, let's see how. Rule of law, rule by law. जो सबको equally control करे, that is rule of law. That controls only the weak is the rule by law. Rule of law, rule by law. देखते हैं आज क्या लिखा. Rule of law. No one is above law. Not you, not me, and not anyone else. Right? Law is above everyone. Rule of law and law, rule by law. आज इनके बीच में हम चेक करते हैं डिफरेंस क्या है. दे बोथ लुक सिमिलर बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. नाउ रूल ऑफ लॉ क्या कहता है. लॉ rules and not the rulers. Right? मतलब example, when a politician faces trial like a normal citizen. ये simple example है, इससे clear हो जाएगा. So it's a rule of law in action. Clear? It's a rule of law in action. तो इससे क्या हमें समझ आता है. If a law is unfair or applied unequally, our courts can strike it down. Right? Our courts can strike it down. So this is rule of law, जो कहता है सबके लिए सब कुछ इक्वल है. इक्वलिटी, चाहे वो पनिशमेंट हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. Anything else, everything is equal for all citizen. Now रूल बाय लॉ क्या कहता है. रूल बाय लॉ कहता है to control or suppress citizens. Like in some countries, government uses their power to control and to suppress the citizens. So that is rule by law. तो यहां लॉ किस लिए यूज हो रहा है. लॉ इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर justice and fairness. Right? It is used to justify unfair or arbitrary actions. Arbitrary. The meaning is explained in episode 8. Episode 7. नाउ एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं इसको कि व्हाट इज रूल बाय लॉ. सी, रूल ऑफ लॉ क्या है? रूल ऑफ लॉ कहता है कि इक्वालिटी होती है. यहां अगर पनिशमेंट भी मिल रही है तो वो भी इक्वल ही मिलेगी. कोई वो नहीं किया जाएगा सेग्रीगेशन की वो इंपॉर्टेंट है या वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. राइट. रूल बाय लॉ क्या कहता है? दैट ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश एरा के टाइम पे दे पास्ड रॉलेट एक्ट. इट अरेस्ट. रॉलेट एक्ट ने क्या किया? इट अरेस्ट विदाउट ट्रायल. सो इट वॉज अ लॉ. लॉ तो है ये, बट इट वॉजंट जस्ट. वहां जस्टिस सर्व नहीं हुआ. राइट. सो it's technically legal, but on top of that morally wrong. Right. So that's rule by law. Rule of law में there is a justice, fairness, और यहां पर just a law. Arbitrariness is followed basically. The personal will. No justice. Right? सबसे major difference. So, rule by law is for power without purpose, and of law, rule of law is with purpose. Right. जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट ने रूल बनाया, द गवर्नमेंट मेक अ लॉ टू पनिश corruption for everyone, including its own ministers. So that's rule of law. Rule by law is only to use power. Right? That is rule by law. Now, the difference. Rule of law, rule by law. Now, meaning क्या हुआ? Law governs all. Law that is used to control. एक layman language में हम understand कर रहे हैं. Then is who is supreme actually? Here the supreme is the constitution, and here the supreme is the government itself. Then third is, what is the goal? The purpose is justice and equality. Here, power and control, right? Example, justice and equality. The example is one of the most famous cases, Menka Gandhi case, and power and control में it was emergency of 1975, right? In rule of law, power is limited by law. In rule by law, power क्या होती है? It hides behind law. The purpose is just power and control, to control everything. Our constitution states that we live under rule of law and not rule by law, right? Like Article 14 states, equality before law. Article 21, that is right to life and personal liberty. Then Article 32, that is right to constitutional remedies. So these are some of the articles in our Indian Constitution which states that we live under rule of law, where the supreme कौन है? Supreme is the constitution that serves justice and equality. नाउ एक रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल से अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल. नाउ इफ योर school makes a rule, no student can use mobile phones in class, or you can say premises. So it's actually fair, just, and right, true. So it's rule of law. Now, if school punishes only certain students and let go others freely, that's rule by law. Here, the power is being used to control some students. That does not ensure fairness and equality. जहां पर भी fairness and equality नहीं होगी, there is rule by law. और जहां पर भी fairness and equality की बात होगी, there is a rule of law. अब क्लियर हो गया सब कुछ? अब क्लियर हुआ? So let's wrap up quickly. So today we understood what is rule of law and what is rule by law. Now, law, where constitution is the supreme, where the goal is justice and fairness, and that is to govern all, is rule of law. Justice, fairness, and equality, that is rule of law, right? And the motive is to control everything, and where the supreme is the government, so that is rule by law. Understood? The goal is not the fairness and the justice, but to enjoy the power and control. रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल से हमने अंडरस्टैंड किया दैट इन अ स्कूल इफ स्कूल मेक्स अ रूल दैट no student should bring mobile phones in class or premises, so that's quite fair, and equality has been given to all, so there is a rule of law that's for everyone in the school. But if school punishes certain students and let go others free, so that's rule by law. The power is to control something or someone, and that's quite unfair, and the justice is not being served, so that is rule by law. When there is fairness, justice, there is a rule of law. And when there is no fairness, no justice, that is rule by law. Right?